Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome. Now, today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1956 Triumph TR3 that you can see behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take a look around this 1956 TR3 left-hand drive. It's a US import that was restored by the last owner when he bought it over here in, I think, 2015. Had a body off rebuild by him, engine and gearbox rebuilt, lots of new body panels let in, chassis sandblasted and what have you, and repainted in signal red. Interior fully retrimmed in beige leather pipe red, new wire wheels and tyres. It's got overdrive, which works. The interior is particularly nicely trimmed on this one. Obviously it's got the hood frame cover on there now, but we've also got obviously the full hood and a full tonneau cover for it as well. We have got the original frames for the side screens, but the side screens haven't got any material on them. They need to be recovered if you want side screens, but most people don't bother, in fairness. She's just really rather sweet. It's a narrow-mouth, late narrow-mouth TR. So let's go around and pick out some good bits and bad bits. Front bumper chrome, a little bit pitted, but generally okay. Paintwork-wise, it's obviously had a full repaint. You can't see it so much out here in the sun, but there are a couple of blemishes on the paint, which you can see under our fluorescent lights. There's a couple of blemishes just back here and here. Paint, excuse me. Paint isn't a concours finish, should we say. It's just a nice usable finish. A couple of slight cracks just there around the around the headlamp pod, and the same on this side. Or is it just dirt? No, it is a crack in the paint. Same there. So, you know, paintwork wise, it's not going to win a 100-point concours, put it that way. Panel fit is very good indeed, looking down the sides, and looks very straight down there indeed. Wheels are new. Blemish just there on the near side front wing. Chrome around the windscreen surround is very good. That's a previous American thing there. It did come from New York State. Near side door is all nice. And as I say, the interior is in top condition, all fully retrimmed by John Skinner. Black carpets, just a really nice interior on it all round. Near side rear wing again, we've got a small blemish just there. And then around the back end, there is some pitting again on the rear overriders. I suppose you actually call it rust, really. Same there. Bit of rust on the rear overriders. That's just dirty marks. Boot lid fit could be slightly better on the left hand side here. Just there. But again, looking down the offside, it looks very straight and tidy down there. Chip in the paint just there on the offside rear wing, and a bit of crazing just along here. It's not a fresh repaint, it was done about 4 years ago, I think. That's just a bit of watermark. And again, the interior magnificent. The vent flap up here does open, incidentally. Offside front wing is all very nice. I'd say driving wise it's absolutely spot on, really is. So I think there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more info. Okay, a quick video of start up and idling on this 1956 TR3. Ignition on. Settles down to a steady idle. There's all your gauges in the middle there. And we'll show you under the bonnet. There we have the under bonnet. Sorry about my shadow. Engine idling away nicely. Worth getting on with the job.